Hello everyone. We just drop off from the hop-in hop-off bus and we are going to see the islands of Malta. It's called Gozo and Comino Island by a ferry. Yes. We have a lot of companions. It's a group tour. One is from Brussels, Belgium. Yes. Yes. So yeah, this is now the pier. The pier here. Yes, there you go. That's that's the one. That's the one, the red one, yeah. Yeah, that's the red ferry. It's there. Okay. Yes. It's beautiful and bright day here today. Look at that one, everyone. Oh yes. Yes, Malta. It's beautiful country. It's very bright and beautiful. Yes. Yes. There are some swimmers over there too. That's the ferry, the red ferry. Yes. Yes. I see Malta. Yes. It's nice and beautiful day in Valletta. Look. Swimmers over there. Yes. Is that the ferry?